Looking for the perfect camera? Choose one with high megapixels for sharp images, good low light performance, high ISO range, and built-in image stabilization for blur-free shots. Whether sealed models are great for outdoor use, consider a DSLR or mirrorless for versatility with lenses. Reliable battery life and easy controls make shooting more enjoyable. Pick based on your photography style. So let's get started. Number 5. PENTAX KF APS-C Digital SLR Camera. Rugged design, powerful performance. The PENTAX KF digital camera is engineered for outdoor photography enthusiasts who demand durability and precision. This compact DSLR boasts a 24.24 effective megapixel AA filter-less APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering stunning image quality with an ISO range of 100 to 102,400, making it ideal for various lighting conditions. Built with a dustproof and weather-resistant body, the PENTAX KF is optimized for harsh environments and can perform even in extreme cold, down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit (-10 degrees Celsius). Its optical viewfinder features a glass pentaprism, offering 100% field of view and 0.95x magnification, perfect for quick and accurate framing and focus. The camera also includes in-body shake reduction SR, providing up to 4.5 stops of compensation, which enhances stability across all compatible PENTAX interchangeable lenses. Whether shooting handheld or in low light, the KF ensures sharp and steady results. An exceptional bonus is its astro tracing capability when paired with the optional OGPS-2 GPS unit, enabling automatic tracking of celestial bodies, ideal for astrophotography without the need for an equatorial mount. Out of the box, the PENTAX KF comes with everything needed to get started: USB cable, lithium-ion battery, charger, strap, software CD-ROM, AC plug, USB adapter, eye cup, hot shoe cover, and body mount cover. With a rugged build and advanced features, the PENTAX KF is a reliable choice for outdoor photography lovers seeking high-quality results in all weather conditions. The next is Number 4. Fujifilm X100VI, a timeless classic digital camera. The Fujifilm X100VI camera blends vintage aesthetics with modern imaging technology, offering an unparalleled creative experience. Whether you're a street photographer, content creator, or passionate traveler, this compact yet powerful camera puts you in control of your storytelling. Key features: unmatched sensor performance. The 42MP Trans CMOS 5HR sensor delivers stunning detail and clarity, ensuring high-quality stills and 2K/30p video that capture every moment with lifelike precision. Steadfast stability. With 6.0 stops of in-body image stabilization, ABIS, and a 4-stop internal ND filter, the X100VI enables blur-free handheld shooting, even in challenging lighting conditions. Creative versatility. Fujifilm's 20 built-in film simulation modes, including the new Reala Ace, let you effortlessly switch between different artistic styles for a classic film-like aesthetic. Extended reach. The 4x and 2x digital teleconverters provide added flexibility by allowing you to get closer to your subjects without losing image quality. Seamless workflow. Featuring Frame.io camera to cloud functionality, this camera makes real-time sharing and collaboration effortless, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Fujifilm quality. Built with premium materials and backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, the X100VI offers long-term reliability and performance. With its classic dial-based controls, precise 23mm f2 lens, and AI-assisted autofocus system, the Fujifilm X100VI is the perfect choice for creators who demand both style and substance. Capture, create, and share with a camera that makes every shot unforgettable. The next is Number 3. Nikon Z6II, a full-frame mirrorless camera. The Nikon Z6II is a feature-packed full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professionals and enthusiasts who demand exceptional image quality, speed, and versatility. With a durable build, it's the perfect tool for both photography and videography. Key features: uncompromising image quality. equipped with a 24.5 MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and dual X-Speed 6 processors. The Z6i delivers outstanding low-light performance, 4K UHD video at 60p, and continuous shooting up to 14 FPS for capturing fast action with precision. Versatile lens compatibility. The camera is fully compatible with Nikon's expanding Nikon Z lens lineup and supports approximately 360 farad mount Nikon lenses using the FTZ mount adapter sold separately, offering unmatched flexibility for different shooting styles. Robust build for demanding shoots. Featuring a magnesium alloy body, the Z6i is built to withstand challenging environments. Dual card slots, CF Express/XQD and UHS-2 SD, provide secure storage options, while USB-C constant power supply ensures uninterrupted shooting sessions. Enhanced operability. The ergonomic redesigned body includes a high-resolution tilting touchscreen, improved button layout, and compatibility with the new vertical battery grip for extended use. With its high-performance sensor, dual processors, and professional-grade build, the Nikon Z6i is an excellent choice for photographers and videographers who need reliability, speed, and creative flexibility. The next is Number 2. Canon EOS R5 Mark II Mirrorless Camera, redefining imaging excellence. The Canon EOS R5 camera pushes the boundaries of professional photography and videography. Designed for speed, precision, and versatility, it is the ultimate tool for creators who demand the best. Key features: new 45MP full-frame sensor, featuring a Canon-designed 45MP back illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. The EOS R5 Mark II delivers exceptional image quality with faster readout speeds, enabling 30 FPS electronic shutter shooting for capturing split-second moments. Advanced autofocus system. With eye control focus and the ability to maintain focus even when subjects are briefly obscured, the upgraded autofocus system ensures unmatched precision in dynamic shooting scenarios. Seamless photo/video capture. Enjoy the ability to capture high-resolution stills and stunning videos simultaneously without interruption, making it an ideal choice for hybrid creators who need versatility in their workflow. Intelligent subject tracking. The action priority feature utilizes scene data to predict movement and lock focus on the main subject, ensuring crystal clear images during high-speed action sequences. Versatile connectivity. With built-in Bluetooth, users can wirelessly transfer files and remotely control the camera, enhancing convenience and creative flexibility. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II combines exceptional resolution, intelligent autofocus, and seamless hybrid capabilities, making it a game-changing tool for both photographers and videographers. Whether capturing fast-moving action, cinematic video, or stunning stills, this camera is engineered to deliver perfection. The next is Number 1. Sony Alpha 1.2 Mirrorless Camera, the pinnacle of imaging excellence. This mirrorless camera redefines professional photography and videography with groundbreaking technology, unparalleled speed, and superior image quality. Designed for professionals, this powerhouse ensures that no moment is missed. Key features: unparalleled resolution. Equipped with a 50.1 megapixel XMOR-RS sensor, the Alpha 1.2 captures breathtaking images with lifelike detail and clarity, setting a new benchmark in high-resolution imaging. Intelligent AF tracking. Featuring an advanced AI processing unit, the camera's real-time recognition AF and real-time tracking accurately detect and track people, animals, vehicles, and even insects, ensuring sharp focus in every shot. Blazing fast performance. Capture action-packed moments effortlessly with 30 FPS continuous shooting and full AF/E tracking, while the blackout-free viewfinder provides an uninterrupted shooting experience. Cinematic video capabilities. Elevate your videography with 8K video recording using 6K oversampling, or shoot 4K footage oversampled from 8K with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring unmatched detail and dynamic range. Robust and reliable. Built to withstand challenging environments, the Alpha 1 II boasts a weather-resistant body, making it a reliable companion for professionals who demand durability and performance in any condition. With superior speed and exceptional resolution, the Sony Alpha 1 II stands as a game-changer for photographers and videographers who require nothing but the best, so this is the best option for you to buy.